Hello, my adorable children. With so much happening around us, which is very shocking and unpleasant, and moreover, everything what is happening around the globe is very unique, which none of us have ever imagined in this time of pandemic. So, it would be wrong to say that our school is closed. It would be appropriate if we say our school building is closed. And you all children live in our hearts. The school management and your entire teachers are also worried and concerned about your health and proper diet in this pandemic. That is why your respected teachers wants to connect with you through this video to make you understand some appropriate suggestions regarding diet plan. So all of you are requested to watch it carefully and try to understand it.
Dear students, as we know that COVID-19 was declared as a global pandemic by WHO and it can attack people with low immunity. So it is required to boost our immune system by changing our lifestyle, doing meditation and especially changing our diet along with regular exercise. Okay. Now our Indian food pattern is so designed that it is quite healthy. But in the present scenario, we should include vitamin C, zinc and some other minerals in our diet also. We should use immune boosting fruits as well as vegetables just like papaya, kiwi, oranges, lemon, apple and vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, tomato, spinach, beetroot etc. in our daily diet. Nuts are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. And in spite of these things, some herbs are also required that are tulsi, ginger and garlic which can boost our immune system rapidly. Now one more thing is required along with these diet, that you should inhale 7 to 8 glasses of water daily, which is helpful in removing toxins from our body. Apart from diet, physical exercises are also effective against fighting with depression as well as anxiety, which are most common among students, especially teenagers nowadays. Exercises are an excellent opportunity for family fun. You can enjoy dance, yoga or any other form of workout regularly at least for about 30 minutes. Some yoga asanas like pranayam, bhramari, anulom vilom etc. are helpful in improving the functioning of our respiratory system and they provide us glowing skin at no cost. Now some of the habits that we should avoid in our day-to-day life are wrong sleeping pattern, excess sugar intake, junk food, excess use of mobile phones and inadequate water intake as they affect our immune system adversely. Now this pandemic has given us chance to introspect and evaluate ourselves and adopt a balanced, hygienic and healthy lifestyle which would have been difficult under normal circumstances. Now nature has given upon itself the responsibility to make the humans understand the importance of clean environment. Thank you. Stay positive and think positive.
Hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss with you all about nutrition, that is about the balanced diet. The COVID-19 pandemic is causing a lot of changes in our daily lives. We are social distancing, staying at home and following certain precautions to stay healthy and fit. Good nutrition is always important during this pandemic. It is even more important because a well-balanced diet of nutritious food could help support a strong immune system. Drink water regularly because staying hydrated also helps our immune system. A balanced diet is one that fulfills all of a person's nutritional values or needs. The best way to keep your energy level up and your metabolism reviving is to eat 5 times a day after every 3 to 4 hours. Eat 3 balanced meals and 2 snacks. Now, snack doesn't mean taking a lot of chips, kurkure, pizza, and this and that. No junk food. You must take as a snack. You must consume or take raw nuts, fruits, sliced veggies, etc. Give enough time to your eating. Chew your food properly. Now, most of you have habit of watching TV while eating. Is it a good habit? No, children. It is not at all a good habit, as it causes overeating, which leads to obesity, and it distracts brain, which starts sending wrong signals to your body. So, healthful eating has many benefits for you children, as it can stabilize your energy, improve your brain, body, and mental health. A healthy diet prevents us from one set of diseases like diabetes, sugar, heart diseases, high blood pressure, etc. Coronavirus, as you know, spreads from one person to another through respiratory droplets. So, before preparing food or cooking, you must wash your hand for about 20 seconds with the help of any soap or hand washes. Throughout the day, wash your hands after blowing your nose, sneezing, coughing, or using toilets. At last, I would like to suggest you all to take nutritious or balanced diet food, drink some immune boosting drinks, and keep yourself healthy and fit. As you know, health is wealth and your life is very precious. Thank you, all of you.
We all are suffering from a very critical situation due to COVID-19. Of course, we cannot remove it, but we can lower our risk by eating balanced diet and by improving our immune system. Till now, we all know about social distancing, sanitization, wearing masks, etc. But today, I want to share some important tips on proper nutrition and hydration with you. So, we should eat a variety of fresh and unprocessed foods every day to get the essential vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, proteins, and antioxidants our body needs. Eat fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains, and food from animal sources, that is fish, eggs, and milk. Daily eat 2 cups of fruits, 2.5 cups of vegetables, approx 180 grams of grains. For snacks, choose raw vegetables and fresh fruits rather than food that are high in sugar. Water is essential for life. Drink 8 to 10 cups of water every day because it transports nutritious and compounds in blood, regulates our body temperature, and gets rid of waste. So, I want to say that ready meals and processed foods are quick and low cost way to feed the family, but food nutrition is crucial for health. Have a good day.
Hello children, myself Mrs. Amita Arora, and I hope everyone is fine and safe at home. So children, by seeing the current situation of increasing cases of COVID-19, especially in Patna city, we have to be very careful about our health. For this, fruits are the best way for increasing immunity in our body. Children, fruits are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. It play a very key part in keeping every person fit and healthy. It is one of the most important thing to eat daily and is a part of a well balanced diet and healthy diet as well. So it's a kind request from every parents and children as well to eat fruits such as pineapple, oranges, watermelon, papaya, as it contains vitamin C, which increases the immunity of your body. So at last, it's a request from every parents to take care of yourself and our kids too. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
Hello children, I am here to tell you and suggest you something important. These days we are listening more about coronavirus. Do you know what is corona? Yes, it is a worldwide disease and it's a very clever disease जो कहीं भी आपको चुपके से infected कर सकती है. But there is no need to fear. Either that is coronavirus or any kind of disease, but we should not fear. We should fight them. We should defeat them. Okay? But how? That is the question. कैसे हम इसे डिफीट करेंगे, कैसे हम इसके अगेंस्ट फाइट करेंगे. लिसन चिल्ड्रेन, हमारी बॉडी में एक इम्यून सिस्टम होता है जिसको पावरफुल बनाना फ्रूट्स का काम है. सो फ्रूट्स हमें खाने हैं. फ्रूट्स खाने से हम किसी भी डिजीज़ के अगेंस्ट फाइट कर सकते हैं और उससे हरा सकते हैं. सो ईट फ्रूट्स डेली एज मैंगो, एप्पल, oranges, kiwi, banana, lemon, any kind of fruit you have to eat. And रोज़ खाना है. Never deny to eat fruits. आपको रोज़ fruits खाना है क्योंकि fruits ही आपकी इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम को इम्प्रूव करेगी. तभी आप किसी भी डिजीज़ से फाइट कर सकते हैं, उसे हरा सकते हैं, उसे भगा सकते हैं. और स्पेशली अगर आपको कोरोना को भगाना है तो आपको खट्टे फ्रूट्स खाने होंगे जैसे ऑरेंजेस, कीवी एंड लेमन. ओके, सो ईट फ्रूट्स. एंड वन थिंग और, आपको पता है जो बच्चे फ्रूट्स खाते हैं बीमारियों को उनसे डर लगता है. उन बच्चों को बीमारी टच भी नहीं करती जो बच्चे फ्रूट्स खाते हैं. ओके, सो ईट फ्रूट्स एंड बी हेल्दी. थैंक यू.
I hope you have watched attentively and understood it. But one thing remember that avoid eating outside food. I mean street food. Because in outside people don't maintain a distance at least 1 meter between you and others. Maybe someone is coughing or sneezing. Droplets from infected people may affect you. And at the end, if you set goals to make these plans actually in your life, not only will you feel the difference immediately, but you will also see results in multiple areas of your life in the coming weeks and months. And these can also make a significant impact in your life. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you and God bless you all.